Have you ever been in a situation where you knew the right words in English, but when it came time to speak, your voice got stuck, your mind went blank, or your heart started beating too fast? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, most English learners already know enough vocabulary and grammar to speak. The real barrier isn't knowledge, it's confidence. So today, let's talk about confidence in English speaking. I want to share how confidence changes everything, why so many learners struggle with it, and most importantly, how you can build confidence step by step until speaking English feels natural, enjoyable, and stress-free. Welcome to this video. My goal is simple. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand the role of confidence in speaking English, but also walk away with practical strategies to boost your own confidence every single day. Part 1. Why confidence matters more than words. When we think about English speaking, many of us focus on vocabulary lists, grammar books, and memorizing expressions. But here's the secret. The number one factor that determines how well you communicate isn't your grammar, it's your confidence. Think about it. If you hesitate, speak too softly, or constantly doubt yourself, even perfect grammar won't help. On the other hand, if you speak clearly, with confidence, people will understand you even if you make small mistakes. Confidence gives power to your words. It shows the listener that you believe in yourself, and that makes them believe in you too. Part 2. The common struggles learners face. Let's be honest. Why is confidence so hard for English learners? Here are a few reasons. Fear of mistakes. Many learners feel embarrassed when they make grammar or pronunciation errors. Fear of judgment. You might worry about what others think of your English. Negative past experiences. Maybe someone laughed at you before or corrected you in a harsh way. Perfectionism. You wait until you feel ready, but that day never comes. Lack of practice. The less you speak, the more nervous you feel when you finally try. Do any of these sound familiar? So remember, you're not alone. Almost every English learner goes through these challenges. Part 3. My story with confidence. I'll share a personal example. When I first started speaking English, I knew a lot of grammar. I could read books, watch movies, even write essays. But when I had to speak in real life, it was terrifying. My hands would sweat, my voice would shake, and I'd forget the words I had studied. At first, I thought the solution was to study more grammar. But I soon realized the real issue wasn't grammar. It was confidence. I needed to train myself not just to know English, but to believe in my ability to use it. That shift changed everything. Once I focused on building confidence, my fluency improved faster than ever before. Part 4. The mindset shift. The first step to confidence is changing your mindset. Instead of thinking, I must speak perfectly. If I make a mistake, people will laugh. Start thinking, mistakes are part of learning. Speaking is about communication, not perfection. Every time I speak, I grow stronger. This shift may sound simple, but it's powerful. The moment you stop chasing perfection and start embracing communication, your fear begins to fade. Part 5. Practical confidence-building strategies. Now let's move from mindset to action. How do you actually build confidence in English speaking? 1. Practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, retell your day, or explain your thoughts. At first, it feels strange, but it builds fluency and confidence without the pressure of an audience. 2. Record yourself. Record your voice and listen back. You'll notice areas to improve, but you'll also realize you sound better than you thought. 3. Shadow native speakers. Choose a video or podcast and repeat the speaker's words in real time. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in speaking aloud. 4. Start small in real conversations. Don't wait for a perfect situation. Start with small interactions, ordering food, greeting someone, asking for directions. These small wins build big confidence. 5. Celebrate mistakes. Instead of feeling bad when you make a mistake, celebrate it. Every mistake means you're speaking, practicing, and improving. 6. Join language exchange communities. Practice with real people online or in person. Choose partners who encourage, not criticize. Part 6. The role of body language. Confidence isn't just about words. It's also about how you carry yourself. Stand or sit tall. Make eye contact. Smile when you speak. Use natural hand gestures. These small actions change how people perceive you and how you perceive yourself. Even if you feel nervous, confident body language makes your speaking stronger. Part 7. Building daily habits. Confidence doesn't grow overnight. It grows through small, consistent habits. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. 5 minutes of self-talk. Speak about your plans for the day. 5 minutes of shadowing. Repeat after a video or podcast. 5 minutes of journaling aloud. Write a few sentences, then read them out loud. 5 minutes of reflection. Record yourself and listen back. Just 20 minutes a day can completely transform your speaking confidence over time. Part 8. Overcoming negative thoughts. Let's address the inner critic. You know that little voice that says, "Your accent is bad. People won't understand you. You're not ready yet." Here's the truth. Everyone has an accent. Everyone makes mistakes. And no one ever feels 100% ready. The way to silence that negative voice is by speaking anyway. The more you do it, the quieter the fear becomes. Part 9. Real-life confidence moments. Think of the first time you learned to ride a bicycle. At first, it felt impossible. You fell, you stumbled, but eventually you learned. Speaking English is the same. Your first conversation may feel scary. Your second may still feel uncomfortable. But by the 10th, 20th, or 50th, you'll realize something. You're speaking without even thinking about it. That's the magic of confidence. It grows through action. Part 10. Why confidence beats grammar. Let's compare two learners. Learner A knows perfect grammar but speaks with hesitation, fear, and low volume. Learner B makes small grammar mistakes but speaks clearly, confidently, and with energy. Who do you think people will understand and enjoy listening to? Learner B. Confidence doesn't mean ignoring grammar. It means not letting grammar control you. Grammar is a tool. Confidence is the engine. Together, they create fluency. Part 11. Success stories. Many learners I've met improved their English not by studying more grammar but by practicing confidence. One student told me she finally got her dream job interview after practicing self-talk every morning. Another learner joined online debates, and even though he made mistakes, his confidence impressed everyone. These stories show that confidence is not optional, it's essential. Part 12. Action plan for you. Let's put everything together into a practical plan you can follow. Shift your mindset. Stop chasing perfection. Focus on communication. Create a safe practice space. Speak alone, record yourself, shadow speakers. Take small steps in real life. Start conversations, however short. Use confident body language. Stand tall, smile, make eye contact. Be consistent. 20 minutes of practice a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Celebrate every attempt. Every word you speak is progress. Follow this plan, and you'll see your confidence grow week by week. Conclusion, final message. So, let's talk about confidence one last time. Confidence is the bridge between knowing English and actually using it. Without it, your knowledge stays trapped in your head. With it, you unlock fluency, connection, and opportunity. You don't need perfect grammar, a native accent, or years of study. What you need is the courage to open your mouth, speak, and trust yourself. Remember, mistakes are part of the journey, not something to be afraid of. Every time you speak, you're building strength. Every conversation makes you more confident. So from today, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start speaking now. Believe in yourself, take small steps daily, and watch your confidence grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more strategies to help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without fear. See you in the next one.